Okay, this video is how to remove the bracket from the console. You gotta remove these 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, after loosening up those screws, you can pop this clip here, and the whole bracket comes apart with this piece. Now dump out the screws on the side of you. Okay, now set the console aside. Bring in this piece and remove these 2 screws. Remove the bracket through the holes there. Alright, now get your new console and remove the 4 screws here on it. Okay. And then clip, then unclip here and lift the piece out and put the console aside. Now get the bracket and install it onto this piece here. You have to line up these holes and reinsert the screws. Don't tighten them all the way yet until you get the other one in place. Okay, go ahead and tighten that up all the way. Now get your new console. Now get the console and get the bracket cover assembly and click it into place. There's clips here. There's clips there that you want to get in here first. There. Alright. If you need to, clip it closed and then drop in your 4 screws. And tighten those up. Okay, and that's how you install the bracket onto a console.